towards the water, but I'm just a larva, nearly blind with just one mission: to eat and grow, to eat and grow, to eat and grow, to eat and grow. But suddenly I feel different. My body's about to change, so I wait. My body becomes liquid again in another shell. Then I reassemble again. My new body is filling the shell. I got no more space. I have to get out. So I break the seal. Air is coming in. Air, no more toxic as it was before. So I crawl slowly out and step on my shell above the surface of the water. Wow, look at me, how different I am now. I have eyes so clear and sharp-sighted, 30-60 degrees nearly. I see others like me, breathing air and waiting to get dry. I start to fill my wings with blood to make them unfold and stiff. Wait a minute, I got wings? And now I remember, I'm a dragonfly and I can fly. So I leave, swearing to come back one day. I feel the air carrying me. I feel the presence of the others. I want to look for them. So we chasing each other, play together in the air, on the surface of the water. Looking for someone that fits me. I find that perfect blue female who likes the way I fly, the way how I'm flying. So we fly together, always disturbed by others, that we are also attracted by this perfect being I found. Finally, we come together and do the flight together. In perfect harmony, I feel thankful, happy, pleasure as I give my genetic package to her. And also tired.